This 2021 Forest River Impression 240RE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, microwave, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, water heater, skylight, TV, oven, LP detector, awning, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Impression 240RE is 8,243 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.